Container Terminal Optimized Logistics Simulation. Are you concerned about some of the risks related to implementing or migrating your TOS? Are the advanced optimization tools of your TOS tuned to perform to their full potential? Would you like to be able to train users to plan and manage the operation using optimization tools? Controls is a virtual environment that represents your terminal. Layout, equipment, and processes are recreated to match the real operation. Your TOS is then connected to the virtual environment, allowing interaction between the two. With controls, you can reduce risks by testing the TOS in a virtual representation of your terminal beforehand. You can improve productivity by tuning your TOS optimization tools used for yard, vessel, and terminal truck planning. Train users in a virtual environment without risking the live operation and allow them to plan, manage, and see the performance results of their strategy. Controls has been implemented in more than 15 terminals around the world and linked to all large terminal operating systems, including Sparx N4 from Navis, KTOS from TSB, and Opus from CyberLogitech. If you think controls can be the right solution for you, contact TBA at www.tba.nl.